Hey Dahlia, I figured it was easier for me to just make a little video to show you how to choose your homepage. Okay, so you have two options. So what I did, this my homepage is really just, it's just a page that I've created, and then I selected it as my homepage. So again, what you would do is you would go to pages. So go to pages, and you would view all pages. And then you would create the page. So click this plus button here to create the page. I'm just going to call this test. And then build the page however you want it. So if you see on my page, I have a banner for what the class is. I have some little words of inspiration. I have my visiting hours. That's what I call them instead of office hours. My visiting hours. And then I have the buttons. But I also use that page for any like important things that they should know. So sometimes during the course of the semester, I change that up a little bit, like what it says. But create the page. So we'll just say that you created the page with all the stuff you want on it. And then you have to save and publish the page, okay? So save and publish the page. And after you've created the page, you save and publish, if you go to these three dots right here, you just click this button that says use as front page. Now I'm not going to click it because if I do, it's going to change my page, but use this as front page. And then after you have selected it as the front page, when you go back to home, it will be here. Now the other way you can see what page is your front page. Now, oh, sorry, there's two things. You also could have choose the home page from here if you already have it created. So if you click this, choose the home page, it gives you some options of what to do, but I already have this page as my front page, right? But you can make your course modules your front page, or assignments, or syllabus, or these are some of the other things that you can choose as your home page. So, but since you've already selected a page, you can do that. If you want to change your page, you can change it here. And then if you go back to pages one last time, you will see, back to pages, it always takes you to the home page first. But it'll tell you that this is your front page. So hopefully this is helpful. If it's not, we can meet again. We can meet again one day next week. All right. Thanks. I'll see you soon.